How to install your Bell Giga Hub modem. So first of all, of course, you're gonna have to unpack your equipment. So go ahead to your box, remove the Bell Giga Hub with the power adapter, fiber cable from the installation kit, and check that the fiber cable, the green connectors, these over here, are clean and undamaged. And once you're sure of that, you're gonna have to locate the fiber jack. You're gonna find the bell fiber connection point on your wall, which should look something similar to this. So usually near an electric outlet, you're gonna have to remove the protective cap carefully and avoid touching the end of the fiber connector as well. So once you have found the fiber jack, you're gonna connect the fiber cable. Insert one end of the green fiber cable into the wall's fiber jack, and then connect the other end of this wire into the modem itself. So it's gonna look something like this over here. You have a few ports. The port for the fiber jack will be found on the top section here, which is here. So it's gonna look something like this. You're gonna plug it into the fiber port on the back of the Giga Hub. So make sure both ends are firmly connected without sharply bending the cable. And once you have connected those, you're gonna also connect the power adapter into the modem itself, which is going to be here. And as for this port over here, this will be optional. This will be an Ethernet cable or an Ethernet port used for wired Ethernet connection to devices that support very high speeds like a computer or another router. So this wire will fit into that port over there. So this is an Ethernet cable. But other than that, once it is plugged in, you can go ahead and wait for it to activate. Wait while the modem completes its startup and activation process. The front lights should eventually become solid and display the same color. Then finally, you can connect it to your devices or your devices to the Wi-Fi, of course. You can use the default Wi-Fi name and password provided with the modem to connect to your devices, and you also have the option to go to your preferred browser and use the MyBell website. You can search for it directly, MyBell, and you're gonna have to log into your account. You'll also have the app version or the app option, the Bell Wi-Fi app, if you want to complete your setup and manage your home network. But that's pretty much the process on how to install your Bell Giga Hub modem. So hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.